Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamuji. If you are just joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome. I really appreciate you guys for clicking through. Please, I will beg you from the beginning, make sure you watch this video to the very end. This is a video course, a t-shirt design video course. Please, this is a t-shirt online video course. So please watch it to the very end. Don't skip, don't miss out. It's going to take you about 10 minutes for each designs. So if this is what you're interested in watching, please watch to the end. I'm going to cut through the chase and just get straight right to it. So I'm opening my Photoshop. I use Photoshop CC for my designs. So as you can see, so now I'll just go to File, New. This is the standard. But since we are taking it on the shirt, we're going to do it, make it 4500 by 5400, which is the standard for print on demand on shirts. So now we just click on OK and we'll have that. So now we're going to unlock this because we want to switch off this background at the end of the design. So we'll press OK again. So now we have that. So if you click on these eyes, it's going to remove the white background, and click on it, it's going to bring it back. So now what we want to do next, is to make this a black background. So go to color overlay. So to do that, you double tap on this white, go to color overlay, click on that, and click on this ash, make it black. You see there's a circle there. You can click on this black here, or you can click on this one. I'm used to this one, so I'll just click on this, make it black. So now I'm going to press OK and OK again. So now I'm going to bring in my elements which are already downloaded for this design. To get element, you can go to flaticons.com. For me, I'll bring in my own element. I already have it saved already. It's a bike. So this is it. So now I'll just drag it in. As you can see, I can't really see the color, so I'll press OK and go and change the color. So I'll double tap on this edge, color overlay again, and I'll just change the color. I'll change the color. So let's save this, press OK. So now I'll just over my mouse and I'll do my Ctrl T. Ctrl T is to highlight the element, and I'll over mouse to this edge and press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, Shift key button, my left mouse key button, and drag that outwards. And I'll just move it to this edge. I'll press enter. You can see, so now I'm going to duplicate this, and to do that I'll press my Alt key button and my left mouse key button and drag my mouse and just duplicate this, and I'll do the same thing again and just duplicate it here. So now that we'll have that's just the first step. So I'll duplicate it again and make it smaller. So I'll just duplicate this, bring it here, do my Ctrl T, move my cursor to this edge, and press my Ctrl and Shift key together and my left mouse key button and drag inwards. So now I have it smaller. I'll just press enter. Now I'll change this color. I'll change this color to a different one. We'll go to color overlay again, and I'll just change the color. Just change the color, make it a different color. So now I can go and copy this, move over my mouse around the image, press my Control key button, my Alt key button, and duplicate it here, duplicate it there, and I'll duplicate it down again by pressing my Alt key button and left mouse key button, dragging downwards and duplicate it there. So you see now we have this design. You see it didn't take us so much time to get it out. So now I can decide to go and put off this background, and I'll still have my designs up. So now I'm just going to save this as bike, save as, go to pictures, go to bike 2. You can already have a full one, so I'll save it as PNG, which is very important if you want to get your design without the background, because you want to put on so many colors of shirt. You want to give your customers colors to pick from. This is how you make a lot of sales from print on demand. Some people say you just have to select 4 colors, so that's left to you, but make sure you give them about 4 colors to choose from, not just 1 color. So that's why I do this. Always save your design without the background and you are good to go. So you click on save, click on save. As you can see, we're just about 5 minutes into this design. It has not taken us so much time to do. Design should be very easy, super easy to do. So now I'm going to show you how to put it on 3D mockup. So to do that, I'm going to over my mouse to this and click on mockup, new t-shirt angle mockup. So that is it. So I'll just click on where it says your design goes here. I'll just look for that. This is it, says your design here. So double tap. So I'll double tap and delete these old ones and just drag in my new one. So I'll go to pictures, bike. Okay. Okay, this is it. So I'll just drag this in here. Drag it in here. As you can see, it's quite big. If we leave it like this and press enter, I'll go to file and save it. You're going to see it's going to appear super big on our shirt, and that's not what we want. As you can see, it's super big. So, and there's a probability your designs might not be like that. There's a probability your design might not be like this, but I want to make this the way it is. Also, if you want to change the colors, you can just over your mouse to this and just keep changing the colors as much as you want. You can change it as much as you want. It's left to you. You can just keep changing the colors. Keep changing the colors. It's totally up to you. So for this one, I'll just find something like this and just leave it and press OK. Then I'll save it. It will save as pictures like 2. So you see your design is not that complicated. Did not take you time. Should not take you time either. Just make sure you have the idea in your mind before you start down. So you don't have to go and keep deleting and changing designs. Make sure you have the ideas in your head already before you start going about making your design. So with this now, you can just promote it on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Facebook groups for people to get it. Or better still, you can wait when you've posted it on sites like Redbubble, Teepublic Teespring. It comes with a 3D human full mockup. So those ones sell better. They sell 30% more than regular, just the designs. So when they see humans are wearing it and it looks good on humans, they want to wear it too. So the aim will be for you to put it on those designs and wear them. And to make passive income from your t-shirt designs, I would advise you make sure you open my best 2 sites for print on demand, Redbubble and Teepublic. So you can add Teespring to it. If you are lucky to get invited to Match by Amazon after you put your request, then fine. But if not, my best 2 will be Teepublic and Redbubble. So now when you post your designs on this site, you can promote it manually. If you want to promote it with money, which I don't advise, you can do that for the meantime. But once you get your first few sales, you start getting automatic promotion from this site. So that's how it works. It's super easy. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, I would advise you just go through my channel, scroll. I have about 88 episodes up already. So you can just scroll, watch through, keep watching. And please stay safe. It's a corona period. It will soon be sorted. I know that for sure. I have the good feeling it will soon be sorted. So please, let's stay safe for the meantime. Use my videos, entertain yourself, watch so that by the time this thing is over, we can start selling our own t-shirt designs online and making money. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you go through those playlists and watch more, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.